Hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using Uipath. In today's session, we are going to discuss about screen scrapping. So first of all, what mean by screen scrapping? So screen scrapping is help you to capture the unstructured data. So when I say unstructured data, so it will help you to capture any sentence or any words which you see in your screens. So basically, it helps you capture the unstructured data. So when capturing this data, so from the screen, so it has three types. So one is full text, navigate text, and OCR. So with this kind of three kind of a scrapping method, it help you to capture the data from the screen. So without wasting time, let me quickly jump back to the Uipath Studio. So already I have made a sequence. So I just plan to compare the data scrapping and screen scrapping. So I have named it as. So let me click on main, then click on main, go to the activity panel. So drag a sequence. So make it as screen scrap. Okay. So let me start scrapping the data with two kind of example, ACME and this particular Amazon page. Okay, let me click on screen scrap. So you are jumped to the wrong window. Just click Control F2. So wait for a time. So here, so what actually you are going to scrap here? Just click on this particular text. Okay, just click, make a click. So so once it is scrapped, so it will make a pop-up. So in this pop-up we can find all the three kinds of scrapping methods, which is navigate, like full text and OCR. So based upon the method, so you can opt this. So yeah, so when I say, like, you can see a particular window, right? So which is screen scrapping wizard. So in this, so you can make change of your type, so which is navigate, full text, OCR. So how these three works? So this is the main things we have to understand, and then we are going to apply in our projects. So what mean by OCR? So how it is scrapping the exact thing? So let me go one by one, navigate. So first of all, just click on navigate, just click on refresh. So just click refresh. I'm getting a pop-up right that navigate method failed to scrap this UA. So it was not able to scrap this particular UA. So why this thing is happening? So because, so in navigate, so when compared to full text and navigates, full text will be by default and it will be fast and accurate. So where the navigate method, so it was not able to capture the screen coordinates. So this particular when it was trying to capture here, so why it doesn't fail? It was not able to capture the screen coordinates of this particular text. Okay, in navigate method, it was not able to capture the screen coordinate of the text. And one more thing, so this particular string, it is incorporated with some hyperlink. So why, how I was saying is hyperlink? So just click on here, so it is redirect to some other page, right? So that is what I was saying. This particular text is incorporated with some other text. So this may be also same thing. And then so you can try with the another method, so which is full text. So as we discussed here, like full text, like it is fast and accurate, but still it was not able to exact the particular string. So it was exacting each and every activities or each and every data which is behind this particular string. So but it was not able to obtain this particular string which you are seeing here, like shopping methods easy, shopping mates easy, download this app. So it was not able to scrap, right? So just change it to the OCR. Just click on refresh. So once it is done, so it will throw once again a pop-up and it will say, hey, I have scrapped this. So just verify me whether I scrapped correct or not. Okay, so let me wait for the pop-ups to come up. Okay, the pop-up has came up. Here you can see it has scrapped correctly the shopping made easily and download app, right? So how it is capturing? So it is using the OCR engine, so which is optical character recognition engine. So in this engine, so it has several types of engine: Microsoft, Tesseract, and then UA screen OCR. Okay, so like if this particular scrapping method, which is not obtained in any of above two, you can directly go with the OCR, right? So in the OCR also, if you're not able to get the desired output using Microsoft, you can directly go with the Tesseract. Okay, so this same thing. So change this Tesseract and make a refresh. So what actually it will do? So it will make us check with the different engines. So what will be OCR? So it is optical characters recognition. So which used to capture like each and every string. So even though it is like a scanned data, so it will capture each and everything in a perfect way using the with the help of the engine. So there are several methods. So let's assume so you are getting an output here, but the particular scrap string is not perfect. So what you'll be doing? So you have to increase the scale. So what the scale has do, like scale, it help you to improvise, or it helps to improve the capture tactics of a like particular OCR. So if I was increasing 2, so let's assume so here the G is not coming. Okay, this is the particular in shopping, the G is not coming up here. Okay, so when you're increasing the scale, so what actually it will do? So it will improvise. So it will improvise to the next level, which is scale 2, and try to optimize and like get the data perfect way. Okay, so and then once you change the scale, and you have to click on refresh, the same thing you have to do here. Okay, so until unless you are getting a particular obtained string, so you can improvise your screen with the help of scale. So in your like OCR engine, okay, this is the way actually. So you can capture the particular data which is in the screen. So in the script scrapping the method. Okay, so I have obtained this method only in the OCR. So just click on finish. Okay, soon after you are clicking on finish, so you can see here, right? So it has made a attached browser inside that. So this particular activity is get OCR text, okay, and then OCR engine. So which are discussing about engine, OCR engine, right? So you can see the scale as 2, which is fixed here. Okay, so let me quickly go here. See here you can see all these methods works with the desktop applications. Like so what are the desktop applications? Desktop recording actually in the sense. So what is desktop recording? So and the previous session desktop recording we have seen the attached browser, right? Likewise it will obtain each and every time an attached browser when it was capturing a particular data like from the screen. Okay, so this is a one kind of method. Let me take an example 2. Okay, let me do the same thing, screen scrapping. Okay, here let me go to the ACM side. So we are not able to switch back, right? So just click on Control F2, go to here, try to capture this dashboard. Okay, so see, it was able to capture, like let me try one by one. Okay, native. So native it was able to capture. Okay, in full text what it was doing? So in full text, it has some spaces. Okay, so which means like in coding we will be saying like span, those things. Okay, so it will has a space over here. Okay, it is capturing the exact coordinate, screen coordinate. Okay, so OCR, let me try with OCR. So usually like when comparing to other two methods, OCR will take a bit more time. So why I was saying bit more time, so it will like standardize itself. So what kind of engine? So it are going to scrap here. Okay. So due to the engine, OCR engine, it is taking somewhat time better than like navigate and full text. Sorry, native and full text. So it has captured that as the same output. Okay. Let me this time let me keep it as native only. Okay. So native, and then you can click on finish. So on all the three methods, we are able to scrap the method, but in full text, so we are getting a space also. So how will you like use that full text also? So you'll capture this full text, and you have to apply the split operation, and you have to eliminate those space. Okay. So we have two kind of examples in screen scrapping, and we have done both. So what we can do? So we can print both the outputs. Okay. So drag a light line. So what is the output here? Image, right? IMG. So you can see like by default it is taking output. So in output panel you can see by default these things are creating a variable. Okay. So I was printing those variable here. Okay. Just go to the second example. Do the same. Okay. So here you can see it has created the output. So drag a right line. So name it as H. So it is creating some kind of variable and showing the values over there. What actually will be doing, like will be like creating variable and will enforces to save this particular variable, but in this like screen scrapping, so it is already creating a variable and storing those value in that. Okay, so we are what we are going to do, we are going to print those two values. Okay, So let me place the cursor in this particular browser only. So it will switch back to here and scrap the data and returns back to this ACM set. How I was saying, so because it is not made in a like it has a container, right? It has a container which is attached browser, so that it will recognize. So already like in this particular in the Chrome page, it has two tabs. It will recognize with the help of attached browser. Let me quickly run and see those. Okay. Let me debug. Go here. Okay, let me see now. I guess Uipath will start running soon now. Let's wait for time. So it switched back to the Amazon side and it is capturing the data over there. And once again, once it is captured, it will switch back to the ACMS side and capture the dashboard data as well. So both the things. So yeah, it switched back and capture the data as well. See, in the output panel, you can see the outputs, right? So which is in Amazon side and the dashboard side. I guess this will be like good example for a desktop recording as well, right? So in like in basic recording, it doesn't have a container. So if this particular container is not there, what will be happening? So only like let's assume only this do section is there and attached buzzer is not there. What will be happening? So it will not able to switch to Amazon site. It will throw an error. Okay. So it will not able to do the below actions as well. So since the attached browser is there, so it is able to recognize. So just look for another another tab also. So it is looking over here and switch back to here. So likewise, so it will help you to capture the data. So in like with the help of the attached browser in several windows. Okay. So these are the overall examples of like a screen scrapping. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.